change the blade of the saw, some saws will have the tool right in the back. You can just slide that out. Leave the guard down. There's a lock lever right here. Slide it in. If the lever doesn't slide all the way in, keep rotating the blade until it locks in. Next, take the wrench, put it around the nut of the saw, push forward to loosen. Then you can just finger loosen the nut off. Open up the guard, move the blade like this. Make sure you keep the washer. The new blade, before installing, make sure that you pay attention to the arrows on the blade for the rotation, which way the blade will spin. This writing typically is always facing out, which is easy to remember. Open up the guard, slide the blade in, release the guard, put the washer back on. Take the nut, finger tighten. Once you have it finger tightened, you want to push the lever back in again. Take the wrench and then tighten the blade. You don't want to tighten too tight, just past a firm pull. Next, make sure that the blade will spin freely. It's good. The saw is ready to use.